In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an unsubscribe link in Mailchimp. Making sure every email you send includes a working unsubscribe link isn't just good etiquette. It's the law in many regions under CAN spam and GDPR, and it protects your sender reputation while giving subscribers a clear, easy way to opt out. It also improves deliverability by reducing spam complaints. Start by opening Mailchimp and logging into your account. From the dashboard, head to Campaigns and open the specific email campaign you want to edit. That will take you into the email editor. In your layout, look for the footer block and click it to open the settings. The footer is where Mailchimp expects compliance elements to live, so it's the best place to confirm your link. In most templates, Mailchimp's default footer content already includes an unsubscribe option. You might see it represented as Posh Unsubplow or as a labeled unsubscribe link, along with your company address and placeholders like current year. Don't worry if you see merge tags in brackets. Mailchimp converts these automatically when the email is sent. If your footer is missing the unsubscribe link, you can add it in seconds. Click Edit inside the footer block. Then type a short, clear phrase like unsubscribe. Highlight that text and insert the merge tag. If you're linking it manually, set the link URL to unsub, so Mailchimp knows to create the proper one-click opt-out. Keep the wording simple and visible, and avoid hiding it in a long paragraph. Clarity helps both compliance and user experience. When you're done, click Save and Close to apply the changes. Now it's time to confirm everything works. Use the preview option in the editor to review your message and scroll to the footer. You should see unsubscribe as a live link. Click it in preview mode to check that it resolves to the standard Mailchimp unsubscribe page, which will handle the opt-out automatically without you having to manage lists by hand. While you're there, take a quick look at the rest of the footer. Make sure your physical mailing address is present and accurate, and that the current year placeholder appears correctly. These small details reinforce trust and keep your campaign compliant. That's it. With the unsubscribe link verified and your footer cleaned up, your campaign is ready to go, and your audience has a respectful, legal way to opt out whenever they choose.